Hey guys, what is up? So today is the day. We are going to be putting on the new Valvetronic exhaust and getting a few videos and clips of what it sounds like before with the current exhaust and what it's going to sound like with the Valvetronics. So right now I'm headed to Dalton's house. Luckily, what is nice, he only lives like 6 minutes away. So it ain't a long drive at all for me. Hell, I could walk there, but obviously, you know, too lazy and I need to drop off the car. But and normally I don't wear glasses, guys, but I've got the craziest looking bags under my eyes because, you know, I have kids, and you know, with kids, sleep disappears. Sleep is non-existent anymore. So I am beat the hell up. I really don't even feel like doing the exhaust today, but I might as well get it knocked out now, because if I don't today, then chances are I won't be done for another 2 to 3 weeks when I have time, you know, just because of work and everything. But we are headed there right now, and then I'm going to actually be dropping it off, because since his garage is temperature controlled, I have to let the car sit in the garage for a while and let the car cool off. But once I drop off my car, I'm going to actually be taking the Supra, so he'll keep the M3 and he'll get it on the lift, just because I'm not confident enough of myself to put it on the lift, and I'll let him do it. That way, if he messes it up, he can pay for it. Yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what it sounds like. I'm excited to finally have it going on and see what it looks and sounds like on the car. And let's get this video going. It's nice to have good friends, because then you can do stuff like this. But I've known Dalton, guys, for probably a good, I don't know, 14, 15 years, since I was in high school, or a little bit after high school. But yeah, there's the vet. He would let me take that, but we're just gonna take this because that's not a drivable or car meant for any of this. So all right, let's get in the Supra. Oh man, I hate doing this. I wish you would have pulled it out already. Let's see, where's the clicker? Here's the clicker. All right, we'll put the Beamer key there, because, you know, both Beamers, but the real Beamer here. And take the Supra. Oh god dang, dude, it's crazy. Even though the M3 sits lower, oh, that sounds good. So you guys probably don't know, this car has a Tomei exhaust, a full titanium Tomei exhaust. It sounds really good. Man, if you guys have an M3 or an M4 or neither and are looking to get into a Supra, M3, M4, either one you're gonna have a good time with. But holy crap, talk about space is extremely limited. Great car nonetheless, but man, does it feels very tiny here. I always forget how to get this thing in drive. Almost zero clearance. Okay, man. Whoop. Oh, shit. There we go. Boom. And we are out of here. This thing sounds really, really good. So that's one thing I'll give the B58s for sure. And it's specifically because, you know, they're single turbo and the S55s are not. And with them being, you know, single turbo, they sound way, way better, which is why we'll be going single turbo eventually. But if you can hear this thing, man, it sounds so good. So good. But the car, again, of course, it's on full E, and he's also got this car on a shot. And if I remember correctly, it's a 50 shot. So we're not gonna be bugging or anything. This is just for something for me to drive while I leave my car at his place. But listen to that. Whew. All the turbo spools. But for sure, guys, one thing that I've noticed about, you know, the M cars and the non-M cars is, yeah, the Supras definitely don't handle as good as the M cars. The M cars feel extremely planted. Everything about them they feel like they're on rails. The Supra feels good, don't get me wrong, but the M feels like it's on absolute rails. So it's just two totally different driving experiences, two totally different cars, both meant for, you know, different things, but both equally good cars. You can hear this thing, listen to that. Gee. I love that. You hear it in my car, but not like in this. And as far as I'm aware, he's same thing as my car, full bolt-ons, E85 or E50, I think is what he's on in this, and then a shot. But man, this thing is an absolute blast to drive. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, guys. The B58, the Supras, with the proper exhaust, absolutely poops on how the S55 sounds. I mean, they sound way better. Now, if you go with the Valvetronic, then I think it changes. With the Valvetronic, I think the S55 sounds better. But that is literally the only exhaust that makes the S55 sound anywhere near as good or better than a B58. But then once you go single turbo, it doesn't matter what exhaust you have. The S55 sounds better. All right, we're gonna go for the money shot, guys. Let's listen for this one. Yes. Man, they aren't kidding though. The wind buffeting in the Supras, Jesus, that's terrible. I even like his plate. I'll give him credit for that. That plate is good. Is it as good as mine? Yeah, it's probably as good as mine. Both are pretty clever, I'd like to say. So you can see, this is his arcade titanium. Real good stuff over here. And then I'd raise the hood too. I'll probably do that later and just show you what it looks like underneath. But he's got titanium everything. I don't know what his obsession is, but since this is his first Jap car, he wanted to have everything titanium on it. Okay, so we are headed back to Dalton's place to go ahead and get the exhaust added on. So I should be there in probably the next, I don't know, 3 minutes. But so you guys know I wasn't joking when I said he had a shot in here. Bam! Look at that. You guys know exactly what that is. The stock OEM stock box is massive and looks like ass. I should have waited. I'll probably do that when I get home. I know this alone, that's probably a good 60 pounds. Was that 12.9?
No, it didn't count. It wasn't touching the. It wasn't.
Yeah, the deodorant smells real good. You smell good, boy. So this is 13.2. So that's the portion of the mid pipe. Then we've got this piece. And then that is 11. That's 11. 8. 16.7. 3.5. 17.2 for the single mid pipe. 14 exactly. Okay. And for the big piece, that's got to be at
37.
least. You think 30? I'm betting that's probably 48, 50. Oh shit, 47.7.
43.
43? Oh, okay, 43. In what? This one was how much? 17?
16.
16? Yeah, that's already quite a bit. Looking shaved. Yeah, this is way prettier. Granted, those look super pretty too when I first bought them, but I don't think they were polished like this. Okay, so we got most of it on. We had to take off the whole bottom tray because, of course, it wasn't letting us move until we removed the V-bands on the turbos. Oh, handed it over there. Got it handled. Okay. Yeah, those are some crazy damn bends. I said, you're a star candidate. You got it handled. Doing this on the floor would have sucked ass.
That's why it wouldn't move. Back up. I had wheel chocks on it.
So then I think.
Definitely not even at all.
So top is closed. It's not, it looks kind of even.
Get down here.
Oh fuck, okay. You gotta turn them. And then so bottom is open right here, so. Yeah, that idle that is nice. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh my god, that sounds good. Well, I just want to see what it from the inside. Loudness. Alright, we're good. Oh my god. That is amazing. Okay guys, so the exhaust is legit. I'm gonna say the old exhaust was on a scale of 1 to 10. I thought it was like a 8 out of 10. I was wrong. It's probably like a 5. The Valvetronics is so loud. Oh my gosh, I did not think it was that loud. It is so loud. I can't describe how loud it is. That sounds fantastic. Whoa! Okay, so if I am to recommend any exhaust, and oh my gosh, I've heard almost every exhaust or combination on the F80 M3 or M4, whichever, all the same shit. Jeez, the Valvetronics, it is absolutely worth the money. Ah, you know what? You might be right. This is probably close to Camaro loud. Is it? I think it's good. I think it's good.
No, it's not bad, but it's fucking loud.
Holy shit. Yeah, you got to turn it off through neighborhoods if you're gunning it. That's okay. Holy shit. I cannot tell you guys how damn good this sounds. Oh my gosh. I am noticing a little bit of rasp, which I didn't expect around the 2000 range. I'm hoping it goes away once this gets broken in, but the exhaust is so loud. That little 2K of rasp it's extremely noticeable. So let's see. That is how this car should have sounded from factory. Yes. See guys, so if I put it in just auto and drive it by itself and let it do its own thing. So see right now, let's see, I'm trying to get it to do. See, you hear that? That specifically doesn't sound good, but it sounds like it's hitting something. I got a feeling it's either hitting something on the back that's causing that funky, because I thought it was rasp, and I feel like it is rasp, but at the same time, it sounds like I've got the stuff so close to some of the things that I feel like it's probably smacking against either the carbon fiber diffuser or metal is clanking against something, but it's only at 2,000, nothing else. And after you hit 2,000, it's extremely crisp. But see, let's see, I'll give it some gas from here. It sounds like it's hitting something. See, that sounds really bad. Once you're past 2, it sounds amazing. Anything from 1 past 2 is amazing, but for some reason that 2 just sounds really bad. And I bet money it's hitting something. So we're gonna get that fixed. I'm gonna set it up in the garage because Don's got to do his own thing. We've taken up enough of his time. We'll go in my garage, wait for it to cool off, and then we'll check everything and see what's causing that, because I feel like something's hitting. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll definitely be making another video of going from the catless downpipes to the high flow catted downpipes, because yeah, this ain't gonna work with catted. I mean, it sounds really good, and I'm not saying it doesn't sound good. The Valvetronic exhaust is that is the one to get, but with catted downpipes, it's just way too much. And I'm not saying that because I'm getting old or anything. I still like loud cars, but it is obnoxiously loud, and it doesn't sound the best, only at that 1800 to 2000 RPM, and I just can't have that. And supposedly catted or high flow catted downpipes will fix that. So as long as that gets fixed, that is definitely going on this car. And thanks again. Take care. Like and subscribe.